So one thing I forgot to talk about is creating your own SSH key. So SSH is a protocol, just like HTTPS is a protocol, and it is providing a way to communicate across computers. And in the GitHub case, SSH keys allow you to not have to supply your username and password every single time you visit GitHub or make a change to a repository or et cetera, which is very convenient. So it's a preferred way to work with GitHub. And so we have some documentation on how to create a new SSH key. I'll be sharing this link in the video description. But over here, we have this command. We can just paste it. All you have to do is replace the email with your email, and then decide if you want to have a passphrase or not with this key. So that means that anybody who were to use it, they would have to type in a passphrase as well over here. Now this can be cached, so it's not like every single time you have to type this passphrase, but it's every single time it's used when it's not, when there's no like previous stored value. So I think it's totally fine to have it empty. Just FYI, SSH keys are your identity. So if someone's sharing your computer and you're worried about them using, making changes on the code base, for example, or you are a Bitcoin owner and you have a wallet, how do you identify who owns that wallet? It's with SSH keys. So you don't want to share the private keys at all. We can talk about what happens when you run that command. So over here, I can look at some SSH keys I have, and here we go. Here's a pair, IDRSA and IDRSA.pub. The .pub stands for public, and this is what you're going to be sharing. So if we come over here and we go to GitHub, and I go to settings and SSH keys over here, add a key. I can type in the title whatever I want. It's just for reference of like what is this key reference? What is the name of the key for me? It's my own name. But then the public key will come over here. And then once I add the key, I am set up. So I want to make sure that is done correctly, and then we can get started.